Every detachable container house starts with precision manufacturing, built in a professional factory for stable quality and faster delivery.
Hello guys, this is Tina. Today we look for the detachable container house. Its size is 6 millions by 3 millions and the weight is 2.8 millions. It's used for the hotel office. We also shipping to the Australia, the Spaniards and many other countries. So if you are interested in this, please feel free to contact us. Thank you.
Strong steel structure with fast assembly design, made for durability, efficiency, and easy installation. Multiple colors and finishes are available. Customize the look to match your project style.